Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we meet again to learn about things in the classroom. I'm gonna show you some pictures of things in the classroom. Are you ready for it? Okay, let's get started. The first picture. This is one of the things that you can find in the classroom. Do you know what picture is this? Yes, good job. It's a bag. Now spell the word B-A-G. Really good. Now say the word bag. Bag. That's good. Then you can find this thing in the classroom too. The color is white and it is big. Yes, that's true. It's whiteboard. Spell the word W-H-I-T-E. B-O-A-R-D. Whiteboard. Good job. The next classroom object is eraser. Say the word eraser. Now, let's spell the word E-R-A-S-E-R, eraser. This is a chair. Say the word chair. Let's spell the word C-H-A-I-R, chair. This is the other thing you can find in the classroom. Do you know what is this? Yes, bingo! It's a book. Now spell the word B-O-O-K, book. Really good. The next object is notebook. You can write anything on it. Now say the word notebook. Notebook. Good job. Now spell the word N-O-T-E-B-O-O-K. Notebook. This is the thing that you need when you want to write something. Do you know what's the name of this object? Good job! It's a pen. Now spell the word P-E-N, pen. That's really good. The next one is this thing. You can put your stuff in it. Do you know what is this? Exactly, it's a pencil case. Now spell the word P-E-N-C-I-L-C-A-S-E, pencil case. The next classroom object is ruler. Ruler. Say the word ruler. Let's spell the word R-U-L-E-R, ruler. Let's go to the next picture. Can you guess what is this? Yes, that's right. It's a pencil. Now spell the word P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Good job. Another classroom object is desk. Now say the word desk. Spell the word D-E-S-K, desk. Alright. Okay, enough for this session. Don't forget to practice more and more. See you on the next videos. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.